Hello everyone, welcome back to the short course on programming. This is part 3 of our video series. Okay, once again, my name is Muhammad Akbar. I have knowledge and skills about businesses, finance, social studies, programming, web development, database, and MS Office. You can visit to my website, brightyouth.org. You can send me email or you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Let's dive in. Okay, we want to learn more and more about programming because we haven't stopped it yet. So, a program a program can be as simple as a task. Okay, we just don't want to have a big definition in our mind that what might be a program is. So we have just um, brought it very brought it down into a very simple definition. Okay? A task. Yeah, who don't know about a task? Okay, right now I'm speaking. This is a task, and uh, eating is a task. Sleeping is a task. Walking, running, and employees also go to the office for a task to perform. Okay, so those tasks might be with a goal. If it isn't, so it might not be a task. Okay, it is just like a work. Okay, so second point is that a program can be to solve a problem. Okay, if we don't have any um, problem, so all the tasks will run smoothly. So we might not have that much interest in making a program. Okay, so we just perform a task, do, make repetitions, and our goal will be achieved easily. But and this is life. This is everything is not easy. So we need to come up with a proper program. Okay, so then at our third definition, or you can say that a program can be a large project. Okay, large reform projects. Okay, just we have taught in online. Okay, so let's go with the examples. Okay, this is just a very simple and easy example that I have brought it in order to explain um, what is the difference between task, goal, program, project, etc. etc. Let's see what we want to come up in this part. Okay, we have a recipe to have a pizza. Okay, so a recipe is a program. Okay, and we are saying that pizza is our goal. So a program tends to approach a goal, okay, or move towards a goal, or to look towards a goal, so that we need to come up with a proper achievement. Programming is to make that program or recipe. Okay, so programming is the process of making the recipe, not the making of pizza. Yeah, when when we have finished making the recipe, then we will perform our tasks on making the pizza. Before that, we will just need a recipe on that, how to cook that pizza. Okay, so that's why uh, programming is to make that program or recipe. Okay, not to achieve our goal in our program. Now we have come up with our more professional definition of programming. Okay, and we are understanding it right now. That in programming we need to make a program or recipe about how to achieve a pizza or how to achieve our goal. Okay, and In order to have proper understanding, I have just made an arithmetical or like mathematical diagram. It is not mathematical obviously, but you will understand what I mean in this slide. Okay? So at first we have a statement that I want to have a pizza. I am a person alone, okay, one person, and I want to have a pizza, okay, one pizza. So this is the process, and in the beginning this is just one process, and with one purpose or goal to have a pizza, and there is no any repetition, and it is just one time task, and it has one requirement only, one pizza, yeah, whether it is vegetarian or not, or etc. In this statement, it is just only one pizza of any type. Okay, so we don't have another requirement. So in here, our task is equal to our job, is equal to our project, is equal to our program, and these are all equal to our goal. Okay, so we are saying that at this time our task is equal to our goal. When we go and take that pizza or serve it for ourselves, so we say that our goal is complete. We have just got the pizza. Okay, so it has been our job and we have just got it. If at that time we can also interchangeably say that it was our job or project or program, okay, whatever you can use the word, but at the end we have just said that our goal is achieved. Okay, so what might be the process? Just order online. Okay, and by ordering online we mean that we need to have an application in our mobile, or we just go on, through a computer browser. We just go and type the website of the restaurant, and we will just order our pizza. Okay, and we will just input our contact details, add payment options, select a pizza type, and provide address. Okay, so these are a few examples of making the process of ordering an online. Okay, just we are saying that ordering online, it is just not as simple as it is. So we need to have further steps to in order to perform to make to have that pizza from a restaurant. We can call it from our mobile directly to a restaurant if we don't want to have an application, etc. So we just talk to a restaurant if we want to. Second option is that we just visit the restaurant. Okay, and for that it is not again just it is a process with steps. What are those steps? At first we just need to change our dress and adjust our fashion, and then grab a car or bike, have a fuel or repair on the way, if we have any, and then drive or ride to the restaurant. Then book a table, order pizza, pay the bill, and drive back to home. Okay. So this is like a struggle to have a pizza. And third option, which is like if you don't want pizza from outside, so most of us want to cook it in our kitchen by ourselves. So if you want to cook a pizza, so you need to go or to bazaar or store, or just order ingredients online and pay for the purchases, bring home, cut and wash, boiling or frying or cooking into oven, wash yourself, serve yourselves. Then it has a lot of struggle as well. So we need to choose our options. These options might not be the only options. We might have other options as well to have a pizza. We just ask someone in our family or friend to get us a pizza. So this is just an example, okay, in order to understand what might be the task, job, project, program, and goal. Okay, and process is to connect our task with the goal, okay? And that's why process is not mentioned earlier. Okay, if we make a table and give a score for each one of them, each one will get 1 because it is just only one task and one goal, and obviously it will be one goal only. Okay? And this process is not addition or multiplication, it is exponential. This is a mathematical term, exponential. That's why I have mentioned here on the top of the slide that this is arithmetical. And when we go further, I have put a simple mathematical example here, like task is exponent is mostly counted from the right hand side. That program is the exponent of project, and that is and those two will be the exponent of the job, and those three are the exponent of the task. Okay, and in here one with exponent 1, and that with the exponent 1, and that again with the exponent 1, and all of them with the exponents according to mathematics is still 1. Okay, so hope that you have a little bit understanding. But we will have more understanding in the next slides when things get complicated.